Hey guys, I just got back from a Walmart pickup. We're still doing pickup. I really don't feel comfortable going into the stores yet, and I want to show you what I got. I'm going to do a few meals off of some of the stuff I bought today. I bought ketchup and mustard because you can never have enough. My boys go through. My oldest goes through the mustard really fast, and the youngest in the middle go through the ketchup. Like literally, they eat ketchup with everything. So I went ahead and bought extra ketchup and mustard because 4th of July is coming up. And pancake syrup. And I got pancake mix too. I actually make a sheet pan pancake with instead of a sheet pan, I use my cast iron skillet. It is amazing. I'll try to post the recipe for you. It is so easy. You can get all of your pancakes cooked at one time. You can do one big pancake instead of like having to crank out like 10, 15, 20 pancakes. It's perfect. I bought some soy sauce because on Mondays I usually do like a Chinese meal with egg rolls, and I purchased the egg rolls here with egg rolls and mixed vegetables. I already had those in the freezer. I get like a stir-fried vegetable pack. Cereal bars for the boys. When I'm teaching, they can just come down here and grab a cereal bar. And Pop-Tarts. They love these brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts. Those are their favorites. I bought the French style dressing with apricot jelly, apricot preserves. I actually have a recipe that I use with this, and it's absolutely delicious. I purchased some Vidalia onions. I've got a Mississippi pot roast in the crock pot right now. Sugar and coffee creamer for my coffee, because you know we need our coffee for teaching. I got a no-bake cheesecake. This is the Great Value brand, and I've tried this before, and it's absolutely just as good as the Jell-O no-bake, and it's a lot cheaper. And I bought some cherries to go on top of that. I may have that the 4th of July. Hot dogs. We're going to have hot dogs one night this week, so I thought we could do chili with that. Egg rolls. I bought cereal for the boys. Raisins, just a little snack they can grab. I usually keep these in the fridge and they can grab those. I love their pasta sauce. It's really good. I do their homestyle meatballs, and so we're going to have spaghetti one night this week. I usually cook 2 jars, but we only needed 1. So Mexican night, of course, Taco Tuesday. I went ahead and bought some salsa. I got salsa here. And yellow rice. My middle son loves yellow rice, and my oldest loves Spanish rice. So sometimes we mix it up. I let him take a vote. Tater tots and popcorn chicken. I actually have a good light night meal. I usually make a pan of these, and I put seasoning salt on them and bake them in the oven. And then I make the popcorn chicken and serve it with I like the mild wing sauce, but the boys like the medium, and we mix it with ranch, and it is delicious. Of course, I said Vidalia onions, some chips. This is just a small haul. My youngest loves fried okra. This is his favorite, so I've got a little fried daddy that I still use, and I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna make him some fried okra probably tonight to go with our roast. So this was just a small haul. I'm going to do some recipes. I really want to share this recipe that uses the French style dressing and the apricot. It is amazing, absolutely amazing. I'll share the pancake, the sheet pan pancake with in a cast iron skillet instead. Delicious. Okay guys, so this is it. Just a small haul today. All right guys, have a great day.